Hi, my name's Dave Dube, and I'm with Citizen-Cincom. I am the Electrical Engineering Manager for the Automation Department, and we are here to talk about the BR200V Vacuum Ejection and Palletizing System. Our machines are capable of making very small parts that sometimes can be lost in the normal ejection system of the machine. Our vacuum systems are capable of ejecting every single part that is made on the machine without being lost. There is zero cycle time once the part is ejected from the subspindle into the system. The part deceleration funnel is used to decelerate the part as it's ejected from the machine, so there is no part damage to the finished part. Two trays in the system provide an exorbitant amount of unattended runtime for your machine. Random sample feature allows parts to be removed from the system so they can be measured and machine verification. There are different types of tray designs that are available throughout this system so that you can have SBC control and or straight running capability. The L12 vacuum system was designed to capture all small parts made in the machine. The same concept and system can be designed and used on other various machines in the Citizen line. Now we're going to talk about the K16 bone screw unloading and palletizing system. As the screws are unloaded from the K16, there are different types of screws that can be made. Depending on the head style of the screw, different options and modes can be selected to unload the screw. The modes available for ejecting screws would be a direct grip from the subspindle or the unloading feature, as you're going to see here, to be able to grip the screw in a place where it is stable. There is no added cycle time to the machine from this point on as the screw is unloaded. These bins are designed with sample bins and run bins. The sample bins will contain a single part which during inspection can be measured, one on either side of the run bin, to determine that the screw is within spec. If the screw is within spec on either side of the run bin, then all parts in the run bin are good. Our random sample feature, which we provide on all automation systems, is capable of unloading a single part to the exterior of the unloading system so that it can be measured and verified. Trays can be removed temporarily from the system and replaced without losing sequence in the tray. K16 bone screw unloading system was designed to unload a multitude of different style bone screws from the machine to prevent any kind of damage to the parts, and also it allows for SPC control during inspection. Next, we're going to talk about the L220 blank loading system on our new L220. This system was designed to help feed the U60J option on your L220. The system contains a bulk hopper for your blanks, which deposits parts as needed onto the vibratory table. The parts are circulated around to be deposited down the feed track. Parts can be brought into the feed track in different orientations. Here you're going to see an overall operation of the system and the way it actually works. Next, you will see a detailed description of each individual move of the system. You can see here when the vision system takes the picture, it knows that the part was oriented incorrectly. It rotates the part and places it into the qualification station. Once it puts it in the qualification station, the robot grippers rotate back to the same position every time when it loads it into the U60J. This screen shows how to set a new part number into your system. The system is capable of containing 255 available part recipes for the different types of blanks that may be used in this system. So that was our L220 blank loading system. The last three examples of the automation that you just saw were a small portion of what Marubeni Citizen-Cincom's automation department can do for you. If you have interest in any one of these automation systems or a more customized system, please contact your local distributor for more information. Thank you very much for watching our presentation today.